Hello guys, welcome to the React Native tutorials for beginner to advanced। तो बेसिकली हम आज से अपनी ये सीरीज स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं जो कि रिएक्ट नेटिव के लिए है। एंड पहली वीडियो में हम स्टार्ट करेंगे कि किस तरह से रिएक्ट नेटिव को अपने सिस्टम में इंस्टॉल करते हैं यूज़ करने के लिए। सो ये चार चीज़ें हैं जो कि आपको लिस्ट में दिख रही हैं required for React Native. So first of all, Node.js. So go to Google and search for Node.js. So basically there are two versions of Node.js. So we have to go with the LTS version because LTS version is more stable and the current version is in beta testing, so some bugs are there, so that's why we have to go with React Native LTS version, sorry, Node.js LTS version. So what is Node.js? So Node.js is basically JavaScript runtime vs8 v8 JavaScript engine. So basically traditionally we have to run JavaScript in browsers. So Node.js provides the support so that we have to run our JavaScript outside the browser. So basically we have to run our React Native code into mobiles. So basically in mobiles there are no browser. These are the native apps which can be built by the React Native. So that's why we have to use Node.js. And second thing is Java JDK. So after you have to click over there, it will download the window installer for you, and it that's so easy. You can double click and install that thing. So the next thing is Java JDK 8. So go to Google and search download JDK for Windows, and go to the first Oracle website. It's Java 14 over there. So we have to search for Java 8 and download this JDK. And with this with React Native, Oracle JDK 8 is basically very supported version, so that's why we have to use Java JDK 8 over there. Then the next thing, if you are on Mac or you are on Windows, there are two separate platforms. If you are on Mac, so you have to download Xcode for app development, and if you are on Windows, then you have to download Android Studio for the app development. So basically we are on Windows, so we have to download Android Studio. So go to Google and download Android Studio. Go to the first website. So here is a link to download the Android Studio, and you are done with that. And last but not least is React Native CLI. So there are two ways to install the React Native. So first of all, go to React Native official docs, and then click on Get Started link. Go to the environment setup, then setting up the development environment. So here are two options over there, React Native CLI and Expo CLI Start. So basically Expo is a third party client tool that provide some basic functionalities pre-built, and React Native CLI is basically giving the raw project to you, and then you have to consider that you have to learn these things. So we are not going to start with the Expo CLI client because the project is created by Expo has some limitations. So we have to go with the React Native CLI, and then the same step that I have explained to you, you need to install JDK, then Android Studio, and you have to set the Android home SDK path to the environment variables. So you have to search for edit system environment variables, and then click on environment variable, and here you can create a new one with the, so the same dialog box is open over there, and you have to create a variable name with Android home and given the SDK path. So you have to done with the installing of Android Studio SDK. Then we have to go with npm js. So go to the npm js. After you install the node, you will get the access of npm package manager, and then you have to search for React Native CLI tool. So basically this is the last tool that we have mentioned in our requirements. So these are the commands. So you have to run this command globally. So by clicking on it, you can copy this command and go to your CMD tool or your terminal on Mac, and paste this command, and install it globally. Minus G is basically stand for globally, and hit enter. After that you have to install the React Native CLI tool. I'm not going to do this because I have installed it. So after that you have to check that the React Native CLI is successfully installed or not. So you have to type that React Native -v. It will give you the CLI version. So it will install the CLI tool successfully for you, and the setup for React Native is also successful for you. So these are the steps that you have to follow for install the React Native to your PC, and that's all about this video. So if you like this video, give a big thumbs up, and like this video, share this video, and subscribe my channel for more videos like that. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.